Artificial intelligence is making its way to Jamaican classrooms, not to replace teachers, but to support them. That's the message from Education Minister, Senator Dr. Dana Morris Dixon, who addressed educators at the opening of the 2025 JTA Education Conference in Trelawney. Denida Rodney gives us a detailed report.
We're not just preparing for the future, we are creating it. We cannot be merely consumers of technology. We have done enough of that. We've done a lot of consuming technology. We have to become producers of the technology. To embrace technology, we must make sure it is accessible. Technology must be embedded across the entire education system, and that's why we've launched a national effort to modernize our infrastructure.
That was Minister of Education, Senator Dr. Dana Morris Dixon. Speaking at the 2025 JTA Education Conference, she revealed bold steps are underway to bring artificial intelligence into Jamaica's classrooms. One such way is the testing of AI tools to assist teachers with grading and administrative tasks.
Already, the Ministry of Education, we are testing AI tools in school to support teachers with marking and administrative tasks. I remember when I was a teacher, I hated to mark. It was the worst part. You know, setting the tests, all right. Teaching was all right. But marking the papers was not fun. And so we have AI technology that we're testing in schools now to have the AI mark the papers so that the teachers can spend more time doing what is really important, which is interacting with our students. So this is freeing up valuable time so teachers can focus on what's the important things.
She also revealed plans to launch the Jamaica Learning Assistant.
We're also preparing to launch the Jamaica Learning Assistant, an AI-powered tool that tailors learning to students' individual styles. So whether they prefer stories, humor, quizzes, or dialogue, AI will help us meet learners where they are and lift them higher. But this is just a support to the teacher. So after you've imparted the lesson, they can go and they can practice and they can find out things that they never maybe understood in the class. They can explore it some more. They want to do more and learn stories or hear stories. That is why we're doing that.
The Education Minister continued, saying a state-of-the-art AI lab is expected to open later this year, giving students and educators a space to develop homegrown tech solutions.
This lab will be a space where Jamaican youth and others can create their own technology solutions. I would love to see the lab used to help our teachers to create new programs that can be used in our schools with our students.
The three-day conference, held under the theme Innovations in Education Technology, the Imperative of Change, brings together educators to discuss the future of learning and how to shape it. Reporting for the news on PBCJ, I am Denida Rodney.